Hey folks, Jason here with Dirt Race Life. So it is a Wednesday and we are on the road to Meridian, Mississippi. We're heading to Whynot Motorsports. You know it. Street Stock Nationals happening this Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. And so anyway, we're getting down here for the Wednesday night practice. Just got off the phone with Mr. J. Neal with BSB. He gave me some tips and ideas on things that I can look at and adjust to really try to get this car dialed in tonight, because we are going to try everything we can to make this feature. I think they've already got like 125 or more street stocks pre-registered. So this video here, we're going to get this car tuned in and ready for this race. So y'all stick around. Well, it's time, folks. Let's get the car on the track, see where we're at. I got that. All right. So we went out for our first time, and I was thinking, let me turn the light on here. There we go. So we went out for the first time on the track, and I was thinking the track might still have grip in it. No, there's so many cars here. It's saying some brown at the bottom, but I was kind of just running the north, like the line, you know, through the middle, and it was slick. Car was good when I slid on up to the brown up top, you know, like I could like get into it pretty good. But anyway, that's why I talked to Mr. J earlier today, talking about I knew my car was free, like I'd finally gotten the car free. Well, I really fought with this car at first last year before I got everything straightened out. It was tight. One of the things that I had just off my radar and had been thinking about, like this left front, I had put a rebound shock on this left front, so I had 300 pounds of rebound on this left front, and which had freed the car up and finally got me freed up. But actually what I really needed was to get the chain on the left rear, get the load into the right rear. That was what was, you know, get the right springs on the back of the car. I ordered springs from BSB, got the right springs on the back of the car. That's when the car really freed up, and it's actually too free. It gets into the corner, like Mr. J was saying earlier today, like I'm getting into the corner really good. Well, I don't need to get into the corner really good. I need to get into the corner good and be able to get out of the corner good. So this left front shock still had this rebound in it, and if the track was hooked up and fairly tight, that would be helping me. But like with it slicked off already, and like what it's going to be slicked off, hopefully all weekend it's just going to be slicked off. It's going to be like 101 degrees feature. Yeah, Saturday the real temp high is like 101. So like, yeah, the track's going to be slicked off. But so anyway, so taking this 300-pound rebound shock out of the left front, I'm going to put a 100. This one is, I think this thing is just like, it's like 100 or something like that, or 115 compression, 100 rebound. I can't, y'all, I'm blind as the back. I can't quite make the numbers out, but I know that's what it is. I know it's like a 100-pound rebound. I don't know the exact number on the compression, but it's the one Mr. J originally put me on. And so we're gonna throw this in, and I think we're gonna go back out. Hopefully we've got enough time. We got like 15 more minutes that we can get out there, and then it's like an hour of just factory stocks, and then we can go back and see where we're at and hopefully pick up some speed. I want to be able to get into the corner good, but the car, you know, be a little bit tight, a little snugger than what it is, and be able to drive off the corner and not have to wait so long to pick the throttle up. So let's get the shock on. definitely better. I'm gonna bring my left rear bite up a little bit on the preload. I think I'm gonna put 3 rounds in it and try it. So I'm gonna get my bite up towards like 280 pounds when it hits on the chain, like 280 on the chain. I was at 250. I'm gonna take it up to 280. So I think that's about 2 rounds, 2 or 3 rounds, 2.5 rounds, something like that. But anyway, and I'm gonna look and see where my shocks are, see how much I'm rolling over on that right rear. So I was just looking to make sure that I was getting 2 inches on my right rear, and I see my rubber's down about 2 inches. So I am getting that right rear loaded. I wanna make sure that that right rear stabilizes about 2 inches compressed, and because the track's really slick. I got a lot of weight sitting right over that right rear spring to make sure I get that right rear planted into the track. Felt really good, definitely still turning in fairly easy. So let's see how much more I can put on it in preload on the left rear, that I should be able to feel that coming off the corner as me being able to pick up the throttle a little bit more, get a little more aggressive, hopefully. Try it out while we got a night, we can try it out. So on that one, he was on the race saver, the guy up in the scoring box looking at the times, and he was like, hey guys, you want a tip? The fastest lap times are being run right on the tires. Of course, the fastest lap time tonight during their happy hour practice gets a provisional to the feature. But anyway, so I figured drop down to the bottom, check it out. Sure enough, there was a grip down there on the bottom. But I'm glad I did it because it showed me I'm a little bit too snug now. I think out in the slick, I would have been fine, but I was scrubbing the wheels some at times. Like there was one time there where I was like down in the bottom and I had the wheel cranked over and the car was just kind of sliding forward. It did eventually kind of rotate around on its own. I'm gonna take 1 round back out of the left rear, and then in its place, I'm gonna take a 1/4 inch up on that left front chain. All right, because I'm still looking for more traction off the corner. I just want to make sure that I hadn't put so much cross into it that now on the entry, I'm no longer free enough. And so we're going to run right back out there. I think we can get 1 more run in before they shut it down. time tomorrow can I check the weight? Do you know?
Probably around 3.
Okay.
I mean, we're gonna be pre-checking them again tomorrow.
Oh, okay. We gotta run through a pre-check.
No. If you check them.
If you want to take now, then we can do it now. Have you already come through?
No, I haven't gone through tech. I just been in practice tonight.
He wanted to know what it's called.
I mean, I think I'm good, but I mean, you know, I'm close. I don't want to get busted tomorrow in qualifying, or you know.
Come back about 2 or 3 tomorrow. That'll be all.
Okay, all right, 2 or 3 tomorrow. And I need to go through a tech tomorrow when I do that, right?
If you weigh, we'll do.
Okay, Bubba. All right, thank y'all. I was gonna check my weight tonight. Eddie could use the lead. And I know I'm close. I brought 1 extra piece of lead just in case I need it on my car, but I don't think I need it on my car. So I was gonna just make sure I was good on my weight. But they told me to come back at 2 tomorrow. I can check it then, so that's what we'll do. Boy, it's a ton of cars up in this place. Woo. They are in here. They packed in here like sardines. Yes, sirree. Well, that was definitely time well spent tonight. So went out, made several changes along the way. Like I said, switched that left front shock out, and then put some rounds in. I put some more preload in. I'm gonna measure it tomorrow, so in the next video I'll see exactly where I'm at on preload, because I need to record everything. I don't have the exact number, because like I put rounds in, and then I put more rounds in to get more preload on the chain on the left rear, but then I took some out. I could see I'd went a little bit too far, tightened that left front chain down just a little bit, and I think that helped me get some drive off the corner a little better. So I think I'm on it, and I could tell. I don't have cell phone service, so I can't see my times on my race pass, but I could tell that I was, like all the cars, I was just as fast as anything else on the track. So I'm hoping I'm right in there on dry slick. So when we get back to the track tomorrow, I'm gonna record exactly what's going on and where I'm at with the car, write it all down and stuff. And then I'm gonna look at it from a standpoint of what things do I wanna do to free the car up from here for qualifying. I'm gonna try to figure out, make a guess on what the track's gonna be like for qualifying, because it's a lot of cars. I've got to qualify good. I think they're gonna have 6 different qualifying features. Those are 20 lap features tomorrow night. And I think you've got to like finish like maybe top 2 or something to lock into the feature from them. Otherwise, you've got to start going through rounds of B mains in order to race your way in for Saturday night. But definitely got this car where I want this car. Time well spent tonight. All right, y'all, so if this is your jam like it is mine, thumbs up right here, leave me a comment, and hey, subscribe, folks. This is good stuff. Tomorrow night's coming up, hopefully one day after this video comes out. See you then.